7 Incredible health benefits of bitter cola. Please share. Bitter cola, also known as Garcinia cola, is a common plant that can be found across Central and Western Africa. The early blends of Coca-Cola contained the plant, explaining the similar name, while the current formula of the world-famous drink is no longer flavored with actual bitter cola. Bitter cola has been used in traditional African medicine for centuries and is considered to have many beneficial properties, including being able to help fight bacterial and viral infections. In terms of taste, the plant is well named. The edible seeds have a notably bitter taste, while there is also a slight sweetness to them. When consumed, bitter cola offers many nutrients, and studies have shown that the plant is high in carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron, and caffeine. Health benefits of bitter cola nut. 1. The aphrodisiac credentials. Traditional medicine considers bitter cola to be an aphrodisiac, so it's believed to increase sexual desire, pleasure, and performance. With these qualities in mind, why not try some bitter cola to help turbocharge your sex life? 2. The nuts may be a remedy for osteoarthritis with symptoms ranging from uncomfortable to debilitating. An osteoarthritis is a common form of arthritis. It's characterized by the degeneration of joint cartilage and the underlying bone, causing pain and stiffness, especially in the hip, knee, and thumb joints. The causes of osteoarthritis can include joint injury, obesity, aging, as well as hereditary factors. Researchers at Obafemi Awolowo University in Nigeria tested bitter cola on the symptoms of osteoarthritis and concluded that bitter cola may significantly reduce the inflammation and pain associated with the condition. The plant also increased joint movement in patients. 3. Bitter cola has antibacterial qualities. A study published in the Science Journal of Microbiology has shown that both the bitter cola seeds and leaves have antibacterial properties. Bitter cola was tested against Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes, Salmonella typhi, and Escherichia coli, and the plant was able to inhibit these microorganisms. The antibacterial activity was found to be due to the presence of bioactive components in the extract such as tannin and saponins. 4. The nuts may improve the function of the lungs. Results from research conducted in conjunction with several Nigerian universities showed that bitter cola has a positive effect on the lungs and can improve ventilation levels. Extracts of the plant have also been studied in relation to asthma, and there is the suggestion that bitter cola may have some protective effects against respiratory disorders. 5. Bitter cola nut may improve the immune system. Bitter cola has a high concentration of antioxidants, which is a term for any compound that counteracts free radicals. While environmental stressors such as tobacco smoke, ultraviolet rays, and air pollution cause free radical production, they are also produced by many normal processes in the body, including exercise and our immune response. Free radicals damage DNA, cell membranes, and other parts of cells. So, as well as being essential assistants for important functions in the body, antioxidants also support the immune system. With a strong immune system, we are better able to fight disease and stay healthy. 6. It may be an anti-malarial agent. Bitter cola contains the antioxidant colaviron, which according to research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Medicine, shows positive results for anti-malarial properties. Traditional healers have for many years prescribed bitter cola for the treatment of malaria infections, and now, scientific studies are starting to support their beliefs. 7. Bitter cola may help to fight glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition of increased pressure within the eyeball, causing a gradual loss of sight, and can result in permanent blindness if left untreated. A study in the Middle East African Journal of Ophthalmology showed that bitter cola is useful for reducing the pressure in the eye for newly diagnosed patients, and was as effective as more conventional treatments. It is important to note that you must follow professional medical advice and treatment if you have glaucoma, even if the condition is newly diagnosed. Side effects of bitter kola. It is important to take any supplement or traditional medicinal product in moderation. Bitter kola has a number of known side effects. 1. It can increase blood pressure if you're suffering from hypertension. Avoid bitter kola, because as reported by Medical News Today, the nut contains a stimulant with properties that increase blood pressure. 2. Bitter kola can cause insomnia due to the presence of caffeine in kola nut. You may find it difficult to sleep after consumption. Caffeine increases alertness, which may make falling asleep more difficult for some people. 3. It can cause tremors, involuntary movements. Medical News Today also reports that bitter kola nut can have a negative impact on the central nervous system and peripheral nervous systems, which can lead to shakiness, anxiousness, and quivering. Preparation and cautions. Now that you are aware of the many potential health benefits of bitter kola, you'll want to know how best way to prepare it. In traditional medicine, all parts of the bitter kola plant may be consumed, but it is more common for the nuts to be eaten on their own and raw. While the many health benefits of bitter kola may have you heading straight to the store to buy a supply, please always be careful when taking any dietary supplements. Always consult your doctor, and remember to continue to follow their advice on how to treat any condition you may have. Bitter kola does have properties that can support the treatment of many illnesses and the prevention of others, while no dietary supplement is a substitute for professional medical advice. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates on health-related issues and best way to fix them with natural substances. Keep sharing this video to your friends and family.